Hey everyone, it's Tom here with webmonkey.com. I hope you're all having a fantastic day today. Make $5,321 in a week by using Google Search. Get paid $7,300 with Google Search affiliate marketing. These kind of Google Search side hustle videos are all over social media right now. But is this a legit way to make money online, or is it a total scam? Welcome back to another episode of Scam or Legit, where I put popular trending side hustles to the test. Now this video is a pretty exciting one because by the end of it, you'll know exactly how to launch your own profitable online website and business that leverages the power of Google Search. I'll also be sharing some of the tips I've personally used to make over $500,000 through Google Search affiliate marketing, as well as some red flags other content creators aren't talking about. It's definitely a spicy episode. You don't want to miss it. Let's get to it. All right, so let me just start out by introducing this kind of viral Google search copy paste method that it seems like everyone is talking about. And so really the strategy involves making money with affiliate marketing by joining programs like Temu in the Amazon affiliate program, and then creating content about popular products with the help of AI and powerful website builders like Hostinger. Now, I'm no stranger to affiliate marketing. It's something I've made money with for years. So when I saw this kind of viral side hustle, copy paste, Google search, affiliate marketing, make all this money, I was pretty intrigued. And so let's take a look under the hood, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to launch your own monetized affiliate marketing website. So again, it's a pretty cool episode, and let's dive into the hustle. And so really the first step in this side hustle involves signing up for the Temu affiliate program. Now, in case you haven't heard of it yet, Temu is basically like Amazon, Wish, or Shein. It's a huge e-commerce platform. It has tons of products, amazing discounts, and it is growing rapidly in popularity. And what's cool is that right now, Temu has opened up its affiliate program so you can earn commission by promoting various Temu products and inviting other affiliates to join. So again, this is super similar to the Amazon affiliate program. You can basically get paid to promote different products on Temu when people click your links and buy those products. And so just for a quick program overview, this affiliate program is letting you earn 5 to 20% commission on different items. You can also earn cash bonuses when people download the Temu app, and there's a guaranteed cash welcome gift for new affiliates. What's also really cool is you only need your email to sign up. A lot of affiliate programs out there, including the Amazon affiliate program, you need a business, you need a website, you need a lot of history to actually be accepted, but Temu is accepting anyone right now. You just need your email. So I'll be linking the Temu affiliate program link down below. You guys can sign up with your email, and right now their top affiliates are earning over $10,000 a month according to Temu, which is pretty cool. But anyways, once you sign up for Temu and you become an affiliate, it's time to move on to step 2. So now step 2 is where this side hustle kind of starts taking shape. And this is where we're going to leverage the power of Google search and traffic from Google to make money with the Temu affiliate program. And so the first step here is to begin exploring Temu's different categories and best-selling products to see what the site has to offer and what people are really buying. And again, Temu is like Amazon. You can purchase pretty much anything from this website. I mean, there's clothing, electronics, toys, pet supplies, fitness gear, appliances, you name it. Now, as an affiliate marketer, I recommend you start researching product categories you're kind of familiar with or you might have a passion about. Really helps you when you're creating content to already have some kind of background knowledge. So for me, I'm going to be looking at appliances and smart home gadgets. That's something I'm kind of interested in these days. So I'll look through Temu and go through that section for the example in this video. But again, you can look through all of its different categories and find products that speak to you. All right, guys, now for the third step in this viral side hustle, we're going to have our winning products we've picked on Temu, and we're now going to create content about these products that we monetize and ultimately make money with. And so to get started here, we're going to leverage the power of AI and good old-fashioned ChatGPT. And so in my example, let's say I'm interested in home appliances as my niche, and I need some help coming up with, different content topics I can use to promote products in this niche. This is a really simple step, and all you have to do is ask ChatGPT to help you brainstorm ideas. And I'm going to share a prompt that I've actually used for affiliate marketing purposes below, and I'll put it in the description as well, but you can use this prompt for pretty much any niche. You just have to tweak the language a little bit. So once you're in ChatGPT, the prompt is, I'm starting a blog focused on home ownership, specifically covering appliances, gadgets, and gifts for homeowners. What are some popular topics I can write for this niche about that are good for affiliate marketing and getting traffic from Google? Again, you can tweak the words to match your niche, but as you can see, ChatGPT spits back a pretty decent list of affiliate content ideas that it thinks will be very successful on Google search and will help you get traffic. And so in my example, I really like the best housewarming gifts for 2024. I also like best outdoor gadgets and the must-have smart home devices. For this video and example, I'll be going with the housewarming gifts idea, but again, ChatGPT gave me a ton of good ideas and it took like 30 seconds. Now, once you have your topics in mind, it's time to actually create some affiliate marketing content and to get your own website off of the ground. So let's move on to step 4. All right, guys, so in step 4, it's all about creating your actual affiliate marketing website. And this is really important because you need a hub or central place place where your content lives so that people can find you, click on your affiliate links, and then generate commissions for you. Now, to get started, I definitely recommend creating a website on WordPress because it's a large open source platform. It's what thousands upon thousands of affiliate marketing people use, and it's also the platform I've always gone with. And for the actual company you can use to build and host your website, I recommend using Hostinger. So Hostinger is a leading web hosting platform and it has a host of powerful tools that make starting your own website a piece of cake. For example, with Hostinger's business plan, which costs as low as $3.99 per month, you can launch your own WordPress website and also access some of its most useful tools for affiliate marketers, like its AI content creator tool. Now, this tool is actually going to be very crucial for getting your affiliate marketing website up and running really quickly, so I'll show you exactly how it works as I set up my own website. But Hostinger is cool because you get a ton of other perks with this business plan, including a free domain name, a free email for your website, and simple one-click WordPress installation. But anyways, now for the exciting part, let's build our website with Hostinger. So to get started, you can visit hostinger.com/TomBlake and begin picking your plan. So I'll be linking Hostinger down in the description box. I've actually chatted with their team. They're a super nice company, and they've actually given me a code, TomBlake, you can use to get 10% off your plan, which is pretty sweet. And you also help support the channel, which is always appreciated. But anyways, you just have to head over to Hostinger and select the business plan and then how long you want your plan to run for. Now, the best deal is the 48-month plan because it gives you 3 months for free, but you can choose a plan that ultimately makes sense for you. Although I recommend at least going with 12 months because you get a free domain name, so it helps you save a little bit of money. Now at checkout, you can add the promo code TomBlake, like I mentioned earlier, for another 10% off. And yeah, once you complete your purchase, the setup process is super simple. First, you just create your login details, so you enter your email and you choose a password. Then you choose which type of website you want to create. And this is where Hostinger's AI tools really come into play. And so for this side hustle, we're going to pick blog, but as you can see, there are tons of different options you can choose from. Hostinger then lets you choose your theme. And again, there are tons of leading themes to choose from, like Cadence or GeneratePress, both of which I've used on my other websites. But you can change your theme later, so don't stress too much in the beginning. But I'm a fan of Cadence or GeneratePress, so I recommend going with one of them. Hostinger then recommends some plugins you should download for your WordPress site, so you can just accept these because they're very useful plugins to have. And finally comes picking your domain name. Now, I recommend picking a domain name that kind of makes sense for the niche you've picked, something memorable, maybe catchy, maybe 2 to 3 words. So for my new affiliate website, I'll be calling it Savvy Home Buys, and Hostinger tells me that this domain name is available, so you can claim it. Now again, don't let the domain name part hold you up. You can actually choose your domain name later if you just want to get to building the website and then decide later on. So don't get stuck. You can use ChatGPT to brainstorm domain name ideas. Don't let this hold you up. And now it's time to actually get our content and website live. All right, so step 5 involves setting up our Hostinger website. And once Hostinger is finished its WordPress installation, which takes about a minute or two, you are basically ready to go. But first, you're going to enable the speed up content creation with AI feature. This tool is one of Hostinger's most awesome features, in my opinion, because it helps you create content much faster by leveraging AI. And this also means you don't need a team of writers or thousands of hours or to spend a lot of money creating content yourself from scratch. But anyways, let's get started with creating our first affiliate content using Hostinger's AI content creation tool, and I'll walk you guys through this tool and how it all works. So the first step is you're going to pick the type of content you're creating, which in this case is a post. You can also set different content lengths and tone, which is really cool. So I'm going to set it to friendly and then probably set it to long because our first article is probably going to be a pretty comprehensive affiliate marketing guide. And now it's time to move on to creating our first article. And so this is really similar to that step we used with ChatGPT where we brainstormed ideas, and you're basically going to give Hostinger's AI content creation tool a bit of information about the kind of content you want to create for this blog post. And so here's the prompt that I suggest you use. And again, you can tweak it to match your niche a little bit more. So all I have to enter is, I'm writing a blog post called The Best Housewarming Gifts for 2024. Can you create an outline for this article? Include a catchy intro and subheadings for each housewarming gift idea in the article. I need you to also find housewarming gifts from Temu and provide information about each product in the housewarming gift guide, including a description, key features, price range, and why it's a good housewarming gift. Again, you can tweak this to match your niche. You can kind of change the wording a little bit, but it's basically saying to Hostinger's AI tool, hey, make me a comprehensive housewarming gift guide, look at Temu, find some products, and do most of the hard work for me. And yeah, that's really all there is to it. Hostinger's AI tool should spit out a complete blog post, and as you can see in my example, it's pretty decent and it covers a range of products, and there's even an AI generated image for the thumbnail, a meta description, and the article is most of the way there. Now I will say this is where a lot of beginner affiliate marketers make a mistake. They'll use AI to create an article for them like this, and then they'll just hit publish and expect all this free traffic and money from Google. Hostinger honestly does a great job at getting the article most of the way there, but we still have to do some minor edits, and we also have to go to Temu and grab our affiliate products and insert those products into the article. so we can get paid. So my advice here is to take some time to scan through each item of the blog post. And I like to make edits like spacing out text a bit more so it's more scannable. And if you see any wonky sentences or areas you want to kind of add your own flavor or experiences, you can take the time and kind of, improve the content a little bit. But anyways, the next step is pretty simple. You're just going to go to Temu, find some products that sell well and that are mentioned in your blog post, and then get the affiliate links for these products and add them to the content you just made. And so personally, I like doing this in a few ways. For one, you can just get that link and then add a hyperlink in your text content. And so people click on that, they'll go to Temu. If they buy the product, you get paid. You can also add buy buttons, however, and this is kind of nice to break up the content and really encourage the readers to visit Temu and again, click on that affiliate link. It's also important to grab some product images so you can take screenshots or save images from Temu and then add those into your blog post to again, just make it look a little bit more polished. But yeah, adding the links is really simple. You just have to grab the link and then insert it into your content and add those call to action so people actually click on your links. And what I really like about Temu's affiliate program is that it highlights how much you make per sale of all of its different products. And so the home niche in particular is pretty cool because some products pay $5 to $100 commission since there's some pretty expensive gadgets and items in this niche. But anyways, once you're done with your edits, all you have to do is clean up your blog post and then hit publish, and your first piece of monetized affiliate marketing content is in the wild. All right, guys, now for step 6, I'm going to call this kind of the website cleanup section. And again, not a lot of people talked about this in the videos I saw, but it is important because you want your website to look a little bit more polished before you really start promoting it. And so firstly, you'll just want to delete some of the automatically created posts Hostinger puts out with a new site, like your Hello World post. And I also recommend creating an about page to kind of describe what your website is about and who you are. This really doesn't have to be rocket science. You could look at what some other websites in your same niche are doing and kind of take some ideas from their about page and, make one that feels good for you. I'll make a really quick about page here. It's not going to be anything crazy. That's kind of just going to explain who I am and why I'm writing content about this niche. But overall, this is really the general process of kind of identifying an affiliate opportunity, finding products, and then creating content to promote those products. I really like Hostinger's AI content creation tool here because it makes it really, really quick. So, when I started blogging back in 2018, we didn't have ChatGPT, we didn't have Hostinger's AI content creation tool. And so I wrote all of my content from scratch, and it took me, years and years and years to turn my blogs into a business. But with this system, you could build out a fully fleshed website with Hostinger in a matter of days or weeks if you put in the time and effort. Now, as a disclaimer, I do want to say you're still not going to make, thousands of dollars overnight with affiliate marketing, and a lot of the videos covering this side hustle are a little bit misleading. You generally need dozens and dozens of articles and some time and consistency for Google to trust your website and begin sending you traffic. However, that doesn't mean the strategy doesn't work in 2024 or even in the future, and I'm going to share some other personal examples just to show you guys how this works, and again, how you can really make money by creating content, using affiliate marketing, and getting traffic from Google search. So homeowner.com is one example that the company I joined owns, and it's in the same niche as the video example. And so Homeowner is full of great buying guides, including ones that get quite a bit of traffic from Google. For example, we have one on the best Wi-Fi extenders for Starlink, and this example contains a list of the best Wi-Fi extenders, and as you can see, it's similar to the content we just made, except in this case, we're using the Amazon affiliate program instead of Temu, but the idea is basically the same. Now, this article has generated thousands of views from Google search in its lifetime. It's made a lot of affiliate income. It even made display ad income from the ads we have on the site. And again, it's the same example as what we just did in the Hostinger website setup. I do the same thing over at webmonkey.com as well, and I've done it in the past for thisonlineworld.com, and there are tons of listicles here with affiliate links in them. This entire strategy has earned me over $500,000 to date as an affiliate marketer, and again, it's all from free traffic from Google search and just properly monetize content. And I really think Hostinger is an awesome way to start here because again, you can create content really quickly and it's super beginner friendly. And I think programs like Temu or the Amazon affiliate program are also great for beginner affiliate marketers to explore. But okay guys, let's move on to step 7, and that's how to get even more traffic to your affiliate marketing website with Hostinger as you kind of wait for Google search traffic to pick up a little bit. Like I mentioned, it usually takes Google a little bit of time to trust your website and to send you traffic, but that doesn't mean you can't make money in the meantime while you're busy creating content. And so really to wrap up this side hustle idea, I just want to cover a few other free and simple traffic sources you can tap into to begin making money with your content. And so really the first one is Pinterest. It's a gold mine for affiliate marketing content, and it kind of always has been. And it's also super simple to use. All you have to do is create a Pinterest account for your website and make some boards relating to your niche. You can then use a free tool like Canva to create eye-catching pins for each of your blog posts. You then publish these pins to Pinterest, and again, with some time and consistency, you can build a following there and get some decent organic traffic to your website. This is actually something I do for our websites, and even though Pinterest isn't really that big for us, we can still get hundreds or thousands of clicks for free, and this is with barely any effort. And the second traffic source is, of course, social media posting. And really the idea here is just to share the blog posts you publish on different forums or social media platforms to try and get some free traffic. Personally, I love doing this on Quora, and as you can see, I've done this in the past to promote this online world. I have over 1 million views on Quora, and Quora has driven thousands of people to my site completely for free. All you have to do is find threads where people are asking questions, and then you can, give them some advice and drop your blog post link to kind of promote it a little bit. This works on both Reddit and Twitter as well, so again, lots of opportunities for you to kind of get creative in how you promote your content. And guys, the third quick tip, it's not a traffic source, but it is something very important for affiliate marketers to keep in mind, and that's to really edit your content. Hostinger's AI content creation tool is really, really cool, but whenever you use AI, it's important to do some manual checks and edits yourself just to make sure the content is looking the way you want it to. And if your first articles don't find that much traction on Google search, again, you might have to try slightly different styles, you might have to see what the competitors are doing and maybe steal a few ideas from them, but it's really about consistency and just creating better and better content over time. Affiliate marketing is ultimately a long game at the end of the day, but it is a serious business model and it's never too late to start. But anyways, guys, let's wrap up this whole viral make money with Google search, Temu affiliate marketing kind of side hustle that's been all over YouTube lately. After building a website from scratch with Hostinger in under an hour, I definitely think this side hustle has a lot of potential. A ton of people I've met over the years have hesitated about blogging or affiliate marketing because the tech side of things kind of intimidates them. But really, platforms like Hostinger and tools like ChatGPT have really sped up the content creation process and basically removed all barriers to entry. Now again, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. A lot of the videos out there on this topic say you'll make $10,000 to $100,000 per month kind of thing, and realistically that is not gonna happen, especially overnight. But affiliate marketing really does have unlimited earning potential, and as someone who's been doing it for years, it's the kind of business you can scale while holding down your day job or as a side hustle, and eventually it can become a full-time business or help you pay pretty much all of your bills. But if you've ever wanted to try affiliate marketing, I think it's a great time to start, so I recommend signing up for Hostinger, trying out this side hustle idea. Just remember, it takes time, consistency, and constant learning, so you won't get rich overnight, but I think it's a really cool business model, and I think this side hustle is pretty cool. Ultimately, for the scam or legit score on this one, I'm going to give it a 4 out of 5. I think Hostinger and its AI content creation tool is really cool. I think the Temu affiliate marketing program is pretty neat. Again, I think some of the content creators out there are saying it works way faster than it actually will in reality, but again, the potential is there, and it's a really cool side hustle. Anyways, guys, that really does it for this one. I hope you have enjoyed. Now, again, I'll be linking the different ChatGPT prompts I used in the description box, and I'll also be linking Hostinger in the description box with that 10% off coupon you can use as well to launch your website today. That really does it for this one, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. I hope you have a fantastic day and week. And as always, don't forget to check out webmonkey.com for more unique ways to make and save money. Catch you guys in the next one.